A mentor is someone who sees more ability and talent within you than you can see in yourself and helps bring the best out of you. Henry Ward Beecher once said, "Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from soul." So here I am dedicating this video as a token of gratitude to my mentor Aniyan Sir, whom I met during my engineering course at college. He was my professor at college and also my mentor who ignited the spark within me to believe in myself and my inner potentials. Not only did he teach me the amazing principles of life, but also he showed me the path how to face all the difficulties in life fearlessly. He had been a father figure away from home and always guided me throughout my college and also impacted my life in a very positive way. I learned how to keep patience and have never give up attitude towards failures until I give my 100%. Moreover, he had always been my mentor and guru throughout my life, and I will carry his values within me throughout my life. So thank you, sir, for all your teachings and blessings.